what's going on, guys? In this video we are going to see how to sketch quadric surfaces. And here we have this equation right here, xy is equal to 1. And if you notice, this is a positive one, and in order to have the positive value, what has to happen is this x and y both has to be negative or both has to be positive. Then only we can get this value, right? Now from that one we can know that this must be both negative and both positive. Now in order to explain in this graph, we have to have this negative axis of this x, and this is our positive x, and also we have to have negative y axis. Okay, this is our positive y axis. Okay, now from this one we know that this graph is definitely going to be in this quadrant, because in this quadrant we have x and y is positive. So we have to have this one in first quadrant, and also in the third quadrant we have x and y are negative. So we are going to have the graph also right here. And the next thing we have to see is we don't have z here. So when we don't have z, it means this graph is never going to intersect with z-axis. Also, the line we are going to draw is going to be parallel to the z-axis. And to draw this graph, we have to know one more thing. For example, let's say if we have x is equal to 10, and if x is equal to 10, y is going to be equal to 1 over x. I'm rearranging this equation. So if I rearrange, that's 1 over x, and y is equal to 1 over 10. So as the x value increases, the y value decreases, right? And there's an exponential relationship. As the y value increases, x value decreases, because if you rearrange this y value, x is equal to 1 over y, so that's the exponential relationship, right? So the graph is going to be like exponential form like this. As the x value increases, y value decreases, something like that. So you have to have this exponential graph both sides. And since we are trying to draw the 3D graph, we have to extend this one like this, right? And the graph is going to look like this, and this should be parallel to z-axis. So this one should be a straight line parallel to z-axis, and also this one should be parallel to z-axis. Okay, parallel to z-axis. And this one, since we are drawing like this one will not appear. So to illustrate, I put dot line right here. Okay, dot, and this is behind graph, this is front graph. And if I draw the line for this is going to be parallel to z-axis. Okay, and the behind graph also same, that's going to be parallel to z-axis. Okay, so this is how our graph is going to look like, and that's how we sketch quadric surfaces for these kind of equations. I hope this helps. Thanks for watching.